How's it going, guys? This is Eli, the real estate guy, and these are my shorts. All right, now what I'm going to do is show you guys what these are. Right, this is a under counter mount for your dishwasher. Now, whenever you're installing the dishwasher, something that you have to realize is without these mounts right here, it wobbles, it's not secure. You can pull it out, you can do all types of stuff to it, and it's not secure. That's where these come in at. What I'm gonna do is actually just install this, and you'll be able to notice a difference on the stability of what a dishwasher is. So whenever you're flipping your house, do not lose these, do not forget about these, because it'll make a world of difference. It'll show up in the inspection report, and people are gonna make it seem like it's the end of the world. Put these on your dishwasher, and it will stabilize your dishwasher. So I'll go ahead and show you where the slot is that you're gonna be putting these. So what you want to do is you want to put these into that slot. All right, so you're going to be putting these ends into these slots right here. And this countertop was actually built on top of a wooden platform. So we just put a piece of sheathing here so it could be easier to mount these into the wood. All right, now once these are in, this is what it's gonna look like when it's inside of the slit. Again, you're gonna be mounting these up to the wood part that's on top. And in terms of how do you access the screws itself, well, it's pushed in where you open the dishwasher door and then you push this in to where it reaches where it needs to be. Now, underneath this dishwasher, you'll see that there's screws that's at the bottom here. So you unscrew these and you remove any insulation that's up under it, and you would twist the bottom feet so that you can actually jack it up so that it can actually reach this wooden area here. All right, just so you guys can see what it looks like, these are the feet that I'm going to be screwing to raise it up. All right, now that everything is all attached, look at that, look at that, look at that, right? So it's all good. I drilled those two pieces up to the wood that was up under there, and now we're good to go. I may start doing more of these videos to just kind of show just random things that can be a problem later. If you don't address them. This is something that's super small, but it could cause a deterrent when it comes to a homeowner looking at a home, especially if they're comparing two houses. They may look at this and be like, if all things equal, this could make them say no and go to the house. Especially in this type of market that we're in right now, you want to make sure that everything is as perfect as possible. And small things that could have been prevented like this, you're making sure that you're ahead of that. All right, so thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you have any other questions about this or any other videos that you would like for me to do, go ahead and put that in the comment section below. But other than that, thank y'all so much, and I will see you on the next one.